how to add a custom watermark to picture with camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, so click on this four dot icon. So after click on this four dot icon, click on settings icon. Now here, so you will see watermark is here, so click on watermark. So first of all, turn on watermark button. So after turn on watermark button, click on edit. You will see edit from here. So after adding, click on save, and you will see add date from here. So you will see add time from here. So after add time and date and click on font. So you will select font from here. So you will add, so you will see select. So after selecting, go back to home screen and take a picture. Click on this icon, you will see, and click on picture. You will see watermark picture is here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add a custom watermark to picture with camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.